Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. These are some of the new latest Samsung Galaxy S25 series cases by iBlason. So I believe there are some of the S25 dummy phones in here as well. And I would like to give a shout out to their marketing team for sending me this. Also, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the descriptions so you can check out these awesome cases by iBlason. Anyway, let's go and then unbox this. So these 3 boxes must be the dummy phones. So this one with the bigger camera setup must be the S25 Ultra. And this one must be the S25 Plus. And then finally the S25. You have 3 different variants. Go and then check out what kind of cases. So I have a sub case and then iBlason. We're gonna go through the iBlason cases first. So it looks like we have 4 different cases from iBlason. This one's the S25 Armorbox SP Tilt. So you could also remove the screen protector if you don't like it. Wow, look at this. I like this kind of case because this one has a camera cover, also act as a kickstand. And this is pretty sturdy, not flimsy. And looks like this is a MagSafe. If you have a MagSafe charger. I got one right here. We could test it out for you real quick. So yeah, maybe it's not compatible with this one. You gotta have the round one. So we're going to pry this out. There's like a volume control right here, power button. Got the microphone, and then microphone and speaker grill right here, plus a charging port for the USB Type-C. And you have the corner bumper in case you drop it on the corner, land it on the corner. So this is act as a shock absorber, okay? So we're gonna take it out and try this case on. And right here it says iBlason. And you have the iBlason right here as well. Got a nice grippy TPU rubberized material on the edges all around. So you need to remove this plastic protector. And also peel this off for the fingerprint scanner. And if you don't like this screen protector, you could heat it up, the edges, and then pop it out and clean the edges, the adhesive with the alcohol. So you got the microphone cut out right there, your earpiece, and then front facing camera. Got the microphone, USB Type-C, speaker grill. Wow, feels like a glove. And this one I got a kickstand. Okay. Vertically or landscape. And you can tell lower angle if you like. Pretty awesome. Let's go and then move on to the next one right here. This one is the S25 Ultra Cosmo SP paint. Wow, look at that. Very nice. You could put your wrist strap here. There are two small, tiny holes. So again, they have a plastic protector. You need to remove it. And then one for the fingerprint scanner. This one is the Ultra. And it fits in there very nicely. The button is very tactile as well, although this is a dummy phone. And you have the iBlason branding right here. And there's a hole right here for your stylus. And this one is the S25 Ultra Armorbox SP black color. So it is similar to this case, except this one's for the Ultra. And it's the Armorbox. Okay, let's go ahead and check out this last one right here. This one's the S25 Plus Armorbox SP Rudy. And this one's the S25 Plus. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show within the description, so you can check out these awesome cases by iBlason. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.